Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to create a necklace using a bone pendant in the shape of a feather, using beads. These are 6mm beads. And I will also need a clasp, a hook clasp, some jump rings, some tiny sand beads, and some clamshell bead ends. We shall also need some thread and tools. As tools, as you can see here, I have a pair of scissors for the thread, a big eye beading needle also for the thread, some pliers, the chain nose pliers without teeth here, and the jump ring opener. So now if you are ready, we can start making the necklace. So I'll put the findings away and some of the tools, and let's begin. By putting the thread on the needle like this. I will take one of those tiny sand beads, put the bead on the needle like this, and as you can see, of this double thread I took only one thread, and I put my sand bead on one of the two threads. And now I will move the sand bead to the end of my thread here, at the end of my thread. Now I will make a knot right above my sand bead so that the sand bead does not move up and down on my thread, this way. And now I will put both threads on the needle, this way. I will take one of those clamshell bead ends, put the clamshell bead end on the needle like this, and I will bring it to the end of my thread here, so that, as you can see, it stops in my sand bead. And now I will take the pliers and close the clamshell bead end like this, and let's put the jump ring on the clamshell bead end. So as you can see here, I have this orifice here, and I'll put the jump ring through this orifice. And at the same time, I will put one end of my clasp on the same jump ring. So I'll open the jump ring with the pliers and the jump ring opener, this way. And on the one hand, I will put the jump ring through my clamshell bead end, this way. And also through my clasp, this way. And now I will close the jump ring. This way. And now I have created the end of my necklace. And now let's start adding the beads. I will begin adding beads using a certain order of black and white beads. Order that I will take into consideration when I create both sides of my necklace. So I will put some black beads, a white bead, some more black beads until I reach the middle of my necklace. And then at the middle of my necklace I will add the bone pendant. And then I will continue to add the beads using the same order of white and black beads so that I create a symmetry. After which I will add my clasp. So let's continue adding the beads until I get to the middle of my necklace. And I will show you how to attach the bone pendant to the necklace. And now we have reached the center of the necklace, so I will add the bone pendant to the necklace. So I'll put the bone pendant on the thread like this, and I will continue adding beads. And now I will be careful that I add the beads symmetrically so that the pattern looks symmetrical on both sides of my necklace. So let's continue adding the beads in the same order, black and white beads in the same order, and then when I finish making the necklace I will show you how to also attach the clasp. And now I have finished the necklace and we must now attach the clasp. First of all I will attach the clamshell bead end. So I'll put the clamshell bead end on my thread like this. And now I will separate the threads in two like this. And I will put only a part of these threads, a side of the threads, on my needle. I will take the sand bead, put the sand bead on these threads, so not on all of them, just on a part of the threads, like this. And now I will create a knot above my sand bead. Now I will cut the thread with the scissors. This way. I will close the clamshell bead end with the pliers. So I'll grab the jump ring with the pliers, open it this way. I will put the jump ring Let's see from a closer distance. I will put the jump ring through my clamshell bead end, like this. I will also put the clasp, the hook clasp, through the jump ring, and I will close the jump ring this way, like this. And now I can open and close my clasp this way. So this is the finished necklace with the bone pendant. I hope you liked this video and thank you for watching.